Welcome everybody to another episode of What's on the Bench. So What's on the Bench is my show that I like to film when I get a new product to kind of go over what it is, what it's going to do on the bike. We'll have a good look at it and explain about it. Basically, what's on the bench? What is it? What is it going to do? So with that, as you know, most of these always start out with a beer, and it is Super Bowl Sunday today. This is going to be old news. The winner you'll already know. However, I don't know yet, but what do you do on Super Bowl Sunday? You drink beer. Of course, we always have a beer on these episodes, and today's going to be no different. So what I'm drinking today is a High Low. So this is from Cigar City Brewing. And High Lie is one of my favorite IPAs from Cigar City. In general, one of my favorite IPAs. So High Low is just a lower alcohol content IPA. This is extremely sessionable. So that means you can drink a lot of them in one session and not get totally annihilated. So that's always a good thing, especially when you got work the next day and it's a Sunday, right? Right. Boom. So, as you can see, that says TB Parts. TB Parts is the reason why we're here today. First, let's crack this cold one for TB Parts, because those dudes up there are awesome, and I really like those guys. Dalton has been a huge supporter of mine, and actually sends me a lot of these parts to try out, and he's always said, if you don't like it, send it back, and he's basically the reason for a lot of the giveaways that we have too. So cheers to Dalton and TB Parts. You guys rock. All right, first sip out of the way. Now, what's on the bench today is a very special product because we all love these things. And by things, I mean exhausts. We all love exhausts. I want to try them all. I love exhaust, right? They are the biggest change you can do to the bike. They make it sound totally different. And there's a lot of exhausts out there for the Honda Monkey. So why do we need a new exhaust? Well, that could be argued, but when it's $200 something, it looks good, sounds good, and performs good on the bike. I think an affordable budget exhaust is something a lot of people are going to be interested in. So that's what we have on the bench today. How about we go open it up and take a look? Okay, as always, nicely wrapped from TB Parts. Good packaging from those guys up there. That's always nice. A little slice open this bad boy and see what we got. Oh, new sticker. New logo. That's awesome. Yes. More koozies. So nice to get swag nowadays. We do that with our company too because it's just fun. And here it comes. What we've all been looking for. Oops. Hope that was not fragile. Okay, so get it unwrapped a little bit. Looking good so far. I know what to expect from this exhaust because I've seen it in pictures. There you go. This is a really nice quality piece just from my first glance at it. Okay, so let's go over this from bottom to top. We have a nice thick flange down there. We have a powder coated black heat shield. And we have a pretty small can muffler here. This is smaller than we're normally used to. Basically, the Yoshimura is like twice the size of this, so that's going to be interesting to see. It's going to slim down the bike a little bit. Okay, and we have like a 4-foot long bag with the assembly hardware and brackets and such. So let's check these out. Okay, so let's see what we got here. These are definitely mounting solutions. Even comes with the tools. That's always handy. Surely a mount. Brand new exhaust crush washer gasket. This is a bracket. This, I believe, is a baffle. That's interesting. That's an interesting style of baffle. Maybe I'll show you how that works here in a second. And this is, of course, the mount for the can. So, basically we're looking at the mounts and the hardware and this baffle. Let's take another look at this baffle. Okay, so the baffle clearly goes in here. So basically, it's really simple. I'm gonna put this right in here. Thread it in. Use the provided Allen key. Nice touch. It's always nice to have it provided to you. Tighten it in. There you go. It's like a restrictor, but it's definitely gonna, you know, deaden the sound a little bit. That's an interesting style of restrictor. I'm curious to see how that sounds. So that looks pretty good so far. This is a rubber insulated heat shield too. That's probably an important little touch because sometimes these things rattle and then that gets annoying. So that's not going to happen. Okay. Well, there you see it. I'm not... Oh, this is... okay, I see. This is the other side of the exhaust flange there. So that's that piece. There's no other mysteries to me as to what these other pieces are. So I guess the next step's to get it on the bike. Let me know what you guys think about this exhaust. I've heard some sound clips of it and it sounds really good. So I know there's a lot of people out there excited about it, and hopefully this video will help you guys get a better look at the product. So we've looked at the new TB Parts Honda Monkey exhaust. What do you guys think? I think it looks really cool. It's very nicely made. It's very affordable. And we know TB Parts is a good company that's run by good people, and they put out some pretty cool stuff for our bikes. So with that, really anxious to see how it sounds on the bike. Pretty familiar with the installation of an exhaust by now, so I'm not really too worried about that. But we're going to do an installation video anyways, just because it's good content, right? So there's one more thing that I want to add in there. Since we all love exhausts because they just change your bike so much, both looks and sound, and they're customizable because there's so many different kinds of exhausts you can try out. So it's a really personalized thing. What I want to do for a video, since I can't buy all the exhausts out there and try them and do videos on them, I want to do a collaborative effort with everybody out there that has a Honda Monkey and an exhaust on it, preferably something other than the Yoshimura exhaust because I already have that. But I want to hear all these exhausts, and I want to make a video from all these collaborations and the videos that I hope you'll send me. And we'll make a whole big video and try to capture all the exhaust sounds that we can from all the different pipes for the Honda Monkey. I think that would be a really cool video and something that everybody could kind of use as research and reference material going forward. So with that, I have a couple ways for you to do that. I set up a new Discord server. Discord is a kind of like the new generation of a forum, but it's more like a big group chat. It's really cool. A lot of people are taking to it already. It just started it 2 days ago, and it's working out pretty well. So you can find that on Discord. It's called the Honda Monkey 125 Enthusiasts, and I'll also put a link to join it in the description of the video, probably in the About Me section, or I'm going to make it easy to find that. So look for that. We can talk on there and we can share ideas. Also, I'm on the Facebook group, the Honda Monkey Facebook groups, all of them. So you can also send me a message through there, and let's try to get some videos coming my way of your exhaust sounds. If you have good camera equipment with the mic, that's awesome. That sounds even better. Or if you just have a simple cell phone recording, shoot me that too, and I'll put together a video of all these exhaust sounds. So with that, I can't wait to get this exhaust on there. They're always exciting. It always changes the bike, and it always makes it feel like a totally different bike. And that's always fun because it keeps things new and fresh. So I love the Yoshimura exhaust on there, and it's a super high quality exhaust. It looks amazing, but when there's a new budget exhaust that enters the market, that's something I think everybody's going to be interested in. So that's why I covered it. And with that, we're going to call this done. What's touchdown? Because it's Super Bowl Sunday. So game over, touchdown. I'm going to finish the rest of my high-low, and hope you guys enjoyed it. So let me know what you thought about the video as well. Let's get this monkey exhaust project going, and we'll do some fun stuff. All right? Thanks for watching. Enjoy the Super Bowl even though you already won. Wait. Enjoy the Super Bowl even though you already know who has won. Go Bucks. Cheers. See y'all next time.